Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt because retrieving stored Wi-Fi keys requires admin privileges. Once the prompt is open, type netwlan show profiles and press enter. This lists saved wireless profiles on this PC. You need the exact profile name shown. Make sure to note capitalization and spaces, since the next command must match it exactly. You're doing this on a machine that already connected to the network. This method reads the locally cached profile rather than probing the router. With the profile name ready, enter. netwlan show profile name equals profile name, key equals clear replacing profile name with the exact string you noted. Once done, the command outputs security settings and the key in plain text. Scroll to the security settings section and find key content. That line is the Wi-Fi password. If you see key content blank, the profile might not store a key or you lack rights. Make sure you used an admin prompt and correct profile spelling to avoid errors. After you retrieve the key content, copy it securely and close the elevated prompt. If the password is blank or inaccessible, first confirm you ran command prompt as administrator and reissue the exact command. If that fails, group policies or security software may block key display. Check with an administrator or export the profile using netwlan export profile name equals profile name, folder equals C, \path, and inspect the XML for the key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.